This 2022 Rockwood Mini Lite 220SS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Rockwood is 23 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, slide-out, spare tire kit, awning, oven, leveling jacks, microwave, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Rockwood Mini Lite 220SS is 5,132 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.